update on the Jeep. That thing's on. All new brake lines in there. New brake line running across the axle. Got new rubbers in there. New rubbers in there. It's all bled out. Let's see if this thing will run. Oh my God, that was good. That was good. It's like 45 degrees out here. You got it choked? A little bit. Let's let it idle, and then we're gonna go for a ride, see if we actually got front brakes, and then I'm gonna send this pile down the home. Oh my God, I had a stroke right there. I'm gonna send this pile somewhere else. Send it somebody else's home. Woo! Just working on Jeeps making me retarded. Has it warmed up enough? I think so. All right, see if you can get it in reverse. We might need to adjust that. That hurts my feelings. Where are you going? We'll go.
Pointed at the truck.
This
thing takes off.
Can we? Hold on. Can we? Where's the adjustment on this? Got brakes? Hey, that's on a. That's on hill. Once in a while it'll shift. Sometimes it won't. But it still knocks off. Remember, you got to rev it up like you hate it. Yeah. Is it shifting? Will it shift? There you go. Oh, it's scratched off. Yeah, but I heard it grind a little bit. Can you put it in reverse now? Put it in all the gears. Oh, we ain't adjusting that then. It wants to leave. It wants to go home. And I want it to go home. Oh my God. Ugh. We probably should clean the window so you can actually see what's going on. Don't run it into my stuff.
Oh, we got brakes now. We ain't scared nothing.
Don't be so positive.
Perfect.
This thing ain't got no wah wah wah. Alright, hit the brakes hard.
Stalled it. Perfect.
Why'd you stall it?
Because we have the clutch pedal in.
Oh, well, you should have done the clutch first. But we got brakes, so that's a win. Y'all, Duster dude's lost his mind. He has gotten overly confident. Go and drive over there to what you want to go over. Drive around this. You can go this way or you can go that way. Either way, you should be getting you there. Plus that pile of trash there is close. The Jeep's out here doing Jeep things. Oh yeah, that's plenty of room.
Yeah, because we're in a Jeep.
Because we're in a Jeep. He wants to go over that hill. That's looking pretty steep.
Yeah, it is.
That's looking real steep. Hold on. Let me get out. You got it in four-wheel, Crawley? See what you can do. Get it up there and see if you can hold it. We'll take a picture of it at least. I'm not confident about it going up there. Alright, see if you can make it over here. This side's a lot more, you know, that way. Man, it's gonna run over me. So size comparison, y'all. Holy shit. Holy shit. Hit me with that again.
Hey, Rocky, we're on top of the mountain.
Yeah, you're at least 10 foot up, like the wheels are 10 foot up. Just out here jeeping. That's a pretty good hill.
It's impressive.
That's a good hill. I wouldn't want to come off this side. Straight back. Moan back, moan back, moan back, moan back. Gonna hit the dip. Moan back. That's pretty sporty. I'm impressed. That Jeep life. Up, high centered. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Jeep, to go anywhere, do anything vehicle.
Stuck. Oh, it's touched on the bottom there, and then it spun this wheel here. Both of these wheels are spinning. Put it in reverse. That wasn't bad, just needed a nudge. You know what's wrong? The hill was too small. We're not professional off-roaders. We don't know what we're doing. Let's find a better hill. I can walk faster than this thing can crawl. This is just moseying. I'm outpacing it already. That was easy. The brakes stopped. Now what?
Send it home.
Well, you heard the man. It's done its thing. It's doing stuff. Time for this thing to go home. Thank y'all for watching.